Good morning, students. We already discussed some application problems based on ellipse. Today also we are going to work out the same type of questions. Read the question carefully. Take down a rough diagram with the help of the given data. Then convert the rough diagram as a fair one. Fair one means with the help of the axis. Now listen. A tunnel through a mountain for a 4-lane highway is to have a elliptical opening. See the word elliptical opening. Therefore, we are having a highway road. In this highway road, the opening must be in the form of elliptical opening. Elliptical opening. The total width of the highway is to be 16 meter. Say this is the total width. It must be 16 meter as per the data. Then under the height at the edge of the road must be sufficient for a truck. Again, once again, a truck is moving. Already we discussed a same type of question. A truck is moving in the, but it is a single way, one way. Here we are having a two-way. So truck 4 meter high to clear. A truck is going on this path. The height of the truck is 4 meter. If the highest point of the opening is to be 5 meter, highest point of the opening is nothing but from the center. From the center, the highest point is 5 meter. Consider it is a 5 meter. Then the total width is 16 meter. So we are converting means it must be 8. Here also 8 meter. It must be 8 meter each side. Now listen carefully. With the help of this, we are going to work out a fair diagram. It is going to be a rough diagram. In this, a truck is moving. See here, we want to move a truck. Consider here 5 meter. A truck is going on this way. The height of the truck is 4 meter. See here. Height of the truck consider to be 4 meter. We have to find the width. So this is the height. A truck is moving. So here height is 4 meter. We have to find the width. This is the question mark. We have to find the width. This is the one side of road. See, it is a 4-way lane means one is in the upward direction, other one must be in the downward direction. One road is going upward, another road is going downward. So one up, one down. Here see, this is the height of the truck 4 meter. We are going to find the width of this truck. We are going to find. After that, how wide must be? Another side. We have, this is one way. We have another one way. This is called total width of the road. We are going to find out. See the diagram. Take down the data from the given question. Take down. Now I have to convert a fair diagram. From this fair diagram. Fair diagram means nothing but with the help of the axis we are going to work out. With the help of this axis. See x-axis, x dash, y-axis. It must be center C0, 0. This elliptical opening. So I am taking a elliptical opening. In this elliptical opening, see this is A dash. This must be A. We are already well known diagrammatic explanation of a ellipse. So it must be x dash. Total distance is 16. That must be called width of the highway is 16. We are splitting out already 8. Therefore, this point is considered to be minus 8, 0. This A is considered to be 8, 0. See the height is 5 meter. The maximum height of the opening is 5 meter. So this point is considered to be 0, 5 because it lies on the y-axis. So it must be origin 0, 0, that is center. A must be 8, 0. A dash must be minus 8, 0. Then the height, maximum height is 5 meter. So we are converting the point. So from this rough diagram, we are converting a fair diagram. This is the concept we have to take from your question. After that, we are going to apply the basic knowledge. What is the equation? See here. It is an elliptical diagram. Major axis along x-axis. Therefore, now equation of the ellipse. See the equation. Equation of an ellipse is, see, this must be y. Equation of an ellipse. Equation of an ellipse. Select type number 1. X squared by a squared plus y squared by b squared equal to 1. Here what is the value of a? Here a equal to 8, b equal to 5. From the given data we are selecting a equal to 5, a equal to 8, b equal to 5. Substitute here x squared by 8 squared, that must be 64, plus y squared divided by 5. 5 means 25 equal to 1. This is the first concept we are able to get. Now see, what is the question asked, what we are going to find out. This is the track here. See, I am drawing a track now. In this track, height of the track is 4 meter. Say this is 4 meter height. Now we have to find width. This width is nothing but x1. Say this is x1. So now we are considering a point P of, this is unknown x1. This is said to be the height. Say I am writing here 4 meter. So it must be 4. See the diagram. We have to find the width. Width is nothing but x quantity. So I can take it as x1. Height is nothing but y quantity. So 4. So I am taking a point x1 comma 4. Now this ellipse passing through the point x1 comma 4. So this is the equation of an ellipse. Now this equation passing through. Now listen. This equation or this ellipse, this equation passing through P of x1 comma 4. So an equation passing through a point, we can substitute here x1 comma 4. I am going to substitute. X is replaced by x1 squared divided by 64 plus y is replaced by 4 squared divided by 25 equal to 1. Now we are going to simplify this one. Now listen. x1 squared divided by 64 equal to, take down this value in the other side. Already we are having 1 minus 4 squared is 16 divided by 25. Now take LCM and simplify. x1 squared equal to, cross multiplying of the 64 here, 25 minus 16 divided by 25. Now we want to find x1, that means square root of 64. 25 minus 16 we can get 9 divided by 25. Listen once again. Equation of an ellipse. Substitute the value of a and b here. Then we can get the equation x squared by 64 plus y squared by 25 equal to 1. This equation passing through the point P of x1 comma 4. Then again substitute the data x1 squared by 64 plus instead of y1 substitute the value 4 squared by 25 equal to 1. Then we need to find x1 squared by 64 equal to 1 minus 16 by 25. Take LCM, cross multiplication. Then we can get the value of x1. See the value of x1 here. x1 equal to 8, again 3 divided by 5. So 8, 3 divided by 5. Now simplify. See that now we have to find the value of x1. So x1 equal to 8 3s are 24 divided by 5. So that means 24 is divided by 5. 4 5s are 20. The remaining is 4. 40. 40 means we can get 8. So x1 equal to 4.8 meter. This is the value of x1. This is already we explained. This is one way. Another one is downward, upward direction, downward. We are finding out width in one side of the road. So it is a 4 lane means one way upward, one is downward. Here we are finding out the x1 quantity. So x1 equal to, just now you got 4.8 meter. Therefore width of the road equal to 2 times x1. That means 2 times 4.8. Then simplifying we can get 9.6 meters. So this is the logic, this is the concept you are going to find out. We need to find the width. See here, this is one x1, one portion, one part, one side. So this is the another one side we have to find. So width of the road is 2 times x1, 9.6 meter. So dear students, read the question. First draw a rough diagram as per the given data. Take down the given data. What are the given data? Here width is 16 meter. Height at the center is 5 meter. That is the given data. It is a 4-way lane. Read that word correctly. Then use your knowledge. Find out the equation. Then the point. This is the point x1, 4. So here one quantity unknown. See, we are having two quantities. One is unknown, one is given. So here height is given. That means this width is not given. x1 we are going to find out. Then substitute. Simplify. We are able to get x1. So simplify x1 equal to 4.8. Then 2 times x1 equal to 9.6 meter. So dear students, try yourself, work out. Listen students, it is again one of the application problem. See, this is a medical related problem. Before going to explain this, you have to understand what is the concept of this sum. What is the medical field related to this sum. See, you have heard the word. In kidney, maybe stones may be formed. By removing the stone without doing operation, you are having some machineries. That one of that machinery is called lithotripter. Lithotripter. It is a medical term machineries. What is the concept here they are using? High frequency of sound waves are produced by this equipment. Then with the help of these sound waves, the bigger part of the stones may be reduced into a smaller part. After that, the smaller part will come through urine. So without doing operation, you are using this machinery. This machinery is in the diagram of elliptical structure. See, I can draw a elliptical structure diagram. Consider this is your machinery. See, this is a machinery. See, this is an elliptical reflector. This is an elliptical reflector we are using. But the full diagrammatic explanation is like this. Draw a elliptical structure here. Full diagrammatic explanation is nothing but an elliptical structure. See, in this equipment, see, this is an elliptical part. In this elliptical part, see, these are A and A dash, we know, endpoints, A and A dash. Here, one focus. Here we are having one focus. Then other focus is here. In this focus, that high frequency sound wave emitter may be placed. Here, sound wave emitter. This is emitter. Sound wave emitter. In this emitter, sound waves are produced like this. Sound waves are produced like this. Then take this. Sound waves are produced. Here also sound waves are produced. Go through like this. Then by using this elliptical reflector, these waves are reflected and again focused in the other part. Reflected and placed at the other part, other focus. So this is the concept they are using. So this is the concept. See here, a reflector. So that means our emitter. Sound wave emitter is here. It is an elliptical. See, it is an elliptical reflector. this elliptical reflector, after the sound wave produced here, then reflected through this ellipse and placed at the other focus. See, in this other focus, a patient's kidney may be placed. Patient's kidney may be placed. All these sound waves are focused at the stone. Patient's stone. This is the concept. See, from this emitter, sound waves are emitted and reflected by the elliptical structure, elliptical reflector, and again placed at the patient's kidney. So in this, the bigger part of the stones may be reduced into a smaller part. This is the concept we are using. So see this diagram, it is an ellipse. It is an ellipse. So now we are having the equation. This is the measure, this is the equipment. The name is lithotripter. You are using, you can hear this word in medical field, you can refer that. You can refer the book, see the diagram. Now the equation, given equation. What is the given equation here? Now we are going to take the given equation. It is already given in your question itself. Equation of the given ellipse. Equation of the given ellipse. See, x minus 11 the whole squared divided by 484 plus y squared divided by 64 equal to 1. Here a squared equal to 484, then b squared equal to 64. Then what is the question asked? See, this is f and f dash. The midpoint of this must be the center. We already know. So here a dash, f dash, c is the center. After that f and a. If c is the center, now what is the distance between c and f? That means from center, how much distance the patient's kidney placed? That is the question asked. So we have to find CF. We need to find CF. That is the concept. CF. You know the meaning of C. C is the center. Then F is the focus. We are going to find out CF. CF is the distance from the center to the other focus. One focus, emitter must be placed. Other focus, kidney. Patient's kidney must be placed. So we need to find CF. Now listen, what is the meaning of CF? CF means AE. We know CF means AE. So we need to find CF. CF is nothing but AE. What is the formula to find E? So we need to find first E. What is the formula? Square root of A squared minus B squared divided by A squared. See the value of A squared, 484 minus what is the value of B squared? 64. Divided by again a squared, the value of a squared is 484. Take the square root now. 684 minus 64, we can get 420 divided by 484. That means take 420 as it is. Then 484 means we can get 22. So this is the value of E. But we need AE. AE means the CF. So we need to find CF. CF means AE. Now listen, what is the value of CF? CF equal to AE. We need to find A. Already we know the value of AE is 22. The value of E just now we worked out. 420 divided by 22. 22 will be removed. Therefore, square root of 420. It is approximately equal to 420 means 20.5 centimeter. This is the CF. Therefore, we can say the conclusion. The patient's kidney must be placed at a distance of 20.5. CF, we need to find the CF. CF equal to AE. So find out the value of E separately. Then work out CF equal to AE. Substitute. Then square root of 420. So it is approximately equal to 20.5 centimeter. So you can say the conclusion, the patient's kidney may be placed at a distance of 5 centimeter from the center. This is your conclusion. So dear student, once again, read the question. Before working out the problem, you have an explanation in your book. See that. Here emitter must be placed, then the other focus must be placed with the patient's kidney. So we need to find it. So use the diagram. It is an elliptical structure. This is an elliptical structure, emitter. This is an elliptical emitter. Then focus F dash and the F. C must be the center. So read the question, draw the diagram, try to work out yourself. Listen students, this is the same model. Again one more application sum. The orbit of Halley's comet. One comet is revolving around the sun. See, sun is here. One comet is revolving around the sun in an elliptical orbit. Say here. The comet is revolving around the sun. Say this is comet in an elliptical orbit. What are the given concepts? See, 36.18 astronomical units long. It is you can use in physics words. 36.1 is you are using in astronomy the distance. They are using the distance astronomy. So 36.18 astronomical units long and by 9.12 astronomical units wide. See, we need the long. Long means it is nothing but this. Here we are using the long means it is nothing but A and A dash. This is the long. Then we are having the center once again here. Here I am considering sun is placed at one focus. Here center. Then what is the meaning of wide? What is the meaning of wide? Here B dash is nothing but wide. This is the concept. Here it is an x-axis. We know this x-axis. X dash. So sun is here a comet. The name is Halley's comet. So revolving around the sun in an elliptical orbit. So they are giving the distance. A dash is nothing but long. See, long is long is 36.18 astronomical units long. So here longest value equal to 36.18 units. Just I am writing the units. See, long is nothing but A dash. This is the longest. So that is nothing but in your ellipse you are using major axis, length of the major axis is the majority portion. That is the major axis, length of the major axis. A dash equal to 36.18. We already derived the value. A dash equal to 2A. 2A equal to 36.18. Therefore A equal to 36.18 divided by 2. So we can get A equal to 36 divided by 2 is 18.09. So the value of A equal to 18.09. This is the first information. See the wide. Wide is 9.12. The second one given is wide. Wide is 9.12 meter. Here wide is nothing but BB dash. BB dash equal to 9.12. What is the value of BB dash? It is nothing but 2B. 2B equal to 9.12. So we need to find B. The value of B equal to 9.12 divided by 2. That means B equal to 4 times. Here again the remaining is 1. 11 means 5 times again 1. 4.56. This is the value of B. See there, just an explanation. It is an elliptical orbit, a comet revolving around the sun in an elliptical orbit. This is the maximum distance, A dash. They are giving as a long, 36.18 units. Here BB dash, that is the shortest distance. Wide, they are giving the word wide, it is 9.12. So longest distance, take down A dash, then 2A, from that convert A equal to 18.09. Here the wide is nothing but shortest distance, it is nothing but the length of the minor. So BB dash equal to 9.12, 2B equal to 9.12, from this find B. So we need to find its eccentricity. Read the question, find its eccentricity. We have to find the value of E. Now what is the formula to find the value of E? We have the formula E equal to square root of A squared minus B squared divided by A squared. So now listen, I can write like this. See here, root of a squared minus b squared, square root of a squared become b. See here, substitute the data. What is the value of a squared? 18.09 whole squared minus what is the value of b? 4.56 whole squared divided by what is the value of a once again? 18.09. So dear student, you have to do the calculation and simplify this one. So you have to, this is your what? 18.09 whole square. Expand it. Again work out 4.56. Here you are having a negative symbol. 4.56 whole square. Then subtract this one. Then take the square root. After that divided by 18.09. So dear students, once again listen the calculation here. You are working out the value of, already working out the value of a, then the value of b. Here we are using square root of a squared minus b squared divided by a. Just we are working out. A squared means 18.09 the whole square. Then b squared means 4.56 the whole square. Expand this one, subtract, take the square root. Using logarithm tables, you can work out a very simple way. Then the division is a value 18.09. After that divide, you can get the value of eccentricity. Try to do yourself. So dear students, read the question, draw the diagram, take down the concept. Here long is 2a, then wide is 2b. That is the logic, only logic. Then work out, you are able to get the result. You can verify, it is an example question only. You can verify in your book also. So dear students, all the application problems in ellipse are completed. All the other problems based on the center, foci, like that we are working out all the concept. So far we completed circle, the second one is parabola, the third one is ellipse. So far we completed. So still we are having only one topic, that is the hyperbola. So tomorrow onwards we are going to work out the problems based on hyperbola. So see the concept, take down the questions, the notes clearly. Thank you.